one of my closest friends. Thank you so much, Turb. My life would not be the same without Turber. So, and now I'm crunching on my freaking cough drop. Yummy! Thank you so much, Turb. Yummy. W Turb. Hashtag I love Turb. Hashtag I love Turb. Thank you so much, Turb. I hope he's sleeping well. Super well. Yes, it was near my debut. It was near my debut. I was actually on his stream before he was on mine, I think. Which is really funny. Next. Alright. Hi, Tom. Oh my god, I just read yours recently. You should go back in the VOD. I said some pretty cool things. How many cough drops have you had, Miso? They say you can't have too many on the bag. Don't lie to me. Wait, let me get the bag. You're lying. Don't lie to me right now. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Warnings. Wait. For temporary relief of minor discomfort and protection of irritated areas and sore mouth and sore throat. Warnings. Sore throat warning. If sore throat is severe, persists for more than 2 days, is accompanied by or followed by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nausea, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. This may be serious. Stop use and act a doctor if sore mouth is not improved in 7 days, irritation, pain, or redness persists or worsens. Keep out of reach of children. Adults and children 3 years of age or older. Allow 1 drop to dissolve slowly in mouth. May be repeated as needed or as directed by a doctor. Hey, what are the risks of... Hey, there are 90 in here, and there are definitely not 90 left. What are the risks of eating too many cough drops? Uh-oh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, really? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've definitely eaten more than that. 6, 7. Oh my fucking god, I just said 6, 7. I've eaten 7 cough drops that I can see right now. That's not that many. That's not that many. I don't know. No, don't say 6, 7. Don't say 6, 7. It can cause indigestion and stomach issues, but it's not too much of an issue. Oh shit. Oh well. I've eaten like 40 in a day, you'll be fine. Well, I've been doing this like my entire life. Every time I get sick, I eat like 50 cough drops, so. Yeah, I think I'll be okay.